Wow! Take a look at this, guys. This is an eggplant. And I know, nakatira tayo sa Pilipinas. So, hindi tayo sanay na makakita ng dilaw na eggplant. Ang usual eggplant na nakikita natin, of course, is the violet type. But, nung nakita ko to nakahang sa tanim, I wanted to make sure to show it to you guys because ito na nga siya, the eggplant. Let's take a look at kung ano yung nasa loob sa kanya, no? Here we go. The reason why dilaw na tong eggplant na to is because na-overripen na siya. So, kung nasobrahan ang pag-ripe ng eggplant, ganito na ang magiging itsura niya. Let's take a look. Oh! Take a look at the inside. Siyempre, itong part na to, bulok na siya, no? But beyond the bulok part are these ones. Medyo matigas-tigas pa siya. Firm. Actually, sabi nga nila, yung ganitong klaseng eggplant na matigas na, is matigas na siya kainin at saka mapait din. So, sour and also hard to eat. So, this is the inside of the eggplant. Now we know. Wow. Oh. Let's try to chop this side and take a look din natin, no? Ooh, I'm so excited, guys. Oh. It has the smell of the earth. It smells like fresh plants. It smells like a fresh vegetable. There. So, dito naman, ganyan siya. So, there you have it. If you're curious to know what a yellow eggplant looks like, here we go. Here is what a yellow eggplant looks like. Well, this part is the bulok, but can you see there are the seeds? Poo-poo! Until next time, thank you for watching.